And this, I gotta say, has got to be my favorite looker of all the cards well, other than the 3090 version, I actually just sold of these. So this is the RTX 3080 FTW3, I believe, by EVGA. Very clean. I didn't have to do much at all with this. Got this on eBay as well. A very, very good price. Very proud of that. I actually have a second one of these right now in the Threadripper build. I'll show you a little bit later. And this card is a beast too, because it's got a 918 gigabyte a second bandwidth, benefiting from the same bus width as the 3090. So there's really no difference at all between the chip cut and the bandwidth of those two cards, save for a few clocks. And so, granted, this is 12 gigabytes of GDDR6 versus the 24. It will produce pretty much anything you need from 1080p to 1440 to 2160 gaming and